Hello folks, welcome to 90.9 The Quadratic. For your second part of your quiz review for geometry, just made this up, review 2, you're going to have some breaking down radicals and then some similarity questions like that. Again, thank you to Coffee Espresso and Chinatown for sponsorship. Simplify each radical, guys. We're looking for pairs to break out of this radical GL. 4 times 10 is 40. 4 is 2 and 2. 10 is 2 and 5. No pair there. The pair of 2's goes on the outside. 5 times 2. 10 has to stay on the inside. 50 is 25 and 2. It doesn't matter how you start. You're going to end up with 2 5s and a poor 2 that has to stay on the inside. 5 root 2. 18. 18 is 9 and 2. 9 is 3 and 3. So you're going to have 3 root 2. Here on 24, you're going to have 4 and 6. 4 is 2 and 2. 6 is not a pair. So if you know 6 is not a pair, you can stay there because there's going to be 2 root 6. 72 is an interesting one. You can do 9 and 8. 9 is 3 and 3. 8 is 4 and 2. 2 and 2. 3 times 2 gives you 6 on the outside. This poor 2 has to stay on the inside. 27 is 9 and 3. It's really 3, 3. So if that pair gets to go, that poor guy has to stay 3 root 3. 45 here. 45 is 9 times 5, and 9 is 3 and 3. You have 3 root 5. 48 here, probably 8 and 6. 4 and 2, 2 and 2, 6 is 2 and 3. Those two go together. 2 times 2 goes on the outside. 4, 3 has to stay on the inside of that jail. Then, folks, states the congruent angles and write the correct proportion given each similarity statement. Notice I didn't draw the figures out because you really don't need them. First angle equals first angle, so angle A has to equal angle D. Angle B has to equal angle E. This should be a pretty easy question. Angle C has to equal angle F. Now in terms of, I'm going to start here. I'm going to go AB, first 2. AB would correspond with DE, first 2. So I'm going to write it as a ratio of fraction. And that's equal to the second 2, BC, over the second 2 here, EF. And then that's equal to the last side would be the first and the last AC over the first and the last DF. And then lastly here, number 10, L is equal to J, 2 great triangles here, LAHS, and then triangle John. H is equal to O, congruent to angle O. Angle S is congruent to angle N. First 2 LH correspond to JO. LH over JO would be congruent or equal to, again, proportion doesn't matter, HS over ON, which is equal to LS over JN. All right, so that could be everything that's on your quiz. This is 90.9 The Quadratic, signing out.